Hey everyone, it's Jenny. I am back with I have a project share. So these are just some of the embellishments I've been working on for Halloween. And I haven't decided yet what I'm going to be swapping with my swap partners. I'm not sure if it's going to be any of these or it might be all of them. I don't know yet, but so many ideas have been going through my mind that I'm not sure what I want to do. So I just thought that I would share all of it now and then figure out how I'm going to do it later on. So anyway, let me just show you what I've been working on. Okay, so let me just kind of go through. So I did make a few rosettes. This is the last one that I didn't decorate yet, so that will be decorated with something, probably some of the things that are in here. Let's just, I don't know, let's just start from the top. Okay, so this is the Kscraft ghost shakers. So I didn't dress them up, like there's like bow ties and stuff like that that you can use. This one I did put a little banner because I found this little triangle punch, so I decided to use it and I hung it from a string. And then I love the shaker mix. This is all like holographic circles, and then I added the pastel bats inside, so I think that they came out pretty cute. I did try to make one of the other ghost shakers. He is not as cute. Like this guy is way cuter, yeah. Anyway, then I did make that spiderweb rosette. So this is also using that Kscraft dies. I basically just, it's really big. The die itself is really big. So I basically cut it in half. And it comes with this one strip that you can cut that can use to reinforce it. So I used that to make a second one. So even though I needed to cut two, you can still use it. It still works. So anyway, so these are the ones that I made that I didn't decorate yet. And what I did do is I found my glitterific, and this is the black one. I don't know what it's called. Does it have a name? I don't know. It probably does. Shucks. Anyway, it's the black opal. There you go. So I really like how that looks. I think it actually looks nicer than the stickles that I've normally been working with. But it doesn't have like a brush or anything, so I ended up using like a barbecue skewer, and that seems to do the trick. So these are kind of ready to go in the event that I want to make something. They are very dimensional, so you have to be wary of that, whereas like this is the Tim Holtz rosette, it's not as dimensional. So anyway, that is the rosettes I made. This is what I did with two of the spiderweb rosettes. So as you can see, I did also use the glitterific there, and then I added some Doodlebug ephemera, and I used some gems from Marissa to decorate the topping, and then I did add the glitter. This is regular stickles because the Doodlebug ephemera doesn't come with glitter or anything. And then I felt like it needed something else, so I ended up I just glued on these little, what are they called? Pom-poms around it, and I think it came out really cute, and I added it on a stick, so now it's like a wand. I thought it would be really cute to add inside you know, like when you send those pocket stuff out, or this could actually be one of the embellishments that I send, but I kind of like it. I think it came out pretty cute. And then let's see, I did try to make the bat shaker. In an earlier video I talked about how I'm not digging like orange and black, so this one, instead of orange, I used a bright pink along with the holographic circles. But you do have to die cut this bat several times because this is very skinny. I don't have the foam that you can die cut, but you know, I'm sure that would work too. That's if you want to make it a shaker. And then oh, here's the rosettes that I did decorate. So I did use my Tim Holtz dies that I haven't used in a really long time, and I decided to try and break them out again. So this is the scalloped edge one. This is the one that's more pointy, and it has like the holes. You can't really see it behind here. And I did cut out Doodlebug paper. It's really hard to see, but it's like the tone on tone Halloween one. And then this one is the one with the stars. So that other one was like the It was like the same paper. It's just a different dye. And then I used, I do have like a spiderweb die. So I cut that out and it fit perfectly over the rosette. And I used that as another added layer. And then I used the doodlebug. So these are the from the ephemera pack, the odds and ends. And then I added one of the sentiments from the chit chat. And like this one I added the lollipop with some stickles. And then this one this is the sticker from the sticker sheet. And then I added this is one of the little sprinkle thingies that come with the collection. So those are some rosettes that are ready to go. Okay, then I made a cauldron. This is another Kscraft die. I didn't cut out the individual bubbles. I think I want to go back and add like dimensional. I think they have those like dewdrops, so I might use that. I'm not sure yet. But I'm really liking all of the shaker mixes that I made. This one was just like the whatever was left of it, but I had made some that I was like really happy with, so I will share that as we get through some of the other ones. But yeah, so I finished the cauldron. That one again is really skinny, so you have to cut it out multiple times unless you have like the foam that you can cut it out with. I have to go get that Wandy foam and try that out. Oh, sorry, here's one more rosette that I made, and I used one of the tickets from the chit chat, and then I added the spider. Okay, this one I cut out a haunted house. This is just an old die set that I had. I cut it out several times so it's more sturdy, and then I added one of the spider webs behind it. So I have 2 of those ready to go. I did make 2 of this apple. Where did the other one go? Here it is. So I did make the candy apple, and I just used some doodlebug paper, and then this is the part for the shaker. So this one has the pumpkins, and I added the black stars, and then this one is just all pastel with the ghosts. I thought that they came out cute though. I did cut the caramel part out of holographic paper. This is just a regular straw. I just flattened it, and then I added the black bowl. This is all from the same set. This I didn't use the die, but I just cut the straw the same size as the die. And then these are I just got some puffies stickers from Walmart, I think, and they're super cute. So I used one ghost and one pumpkin because then it coordinates with the sequence that I used. So I had fun making that. And then I die cut these words. This is another Kscraft die, and I really like it with this holographic cardstock. It's the one that has a lot of dots on it, so I thought it looked very Halloweenish. So I cut that out, and I mounted it on black, and then I just added it to one of the larger ephemera from the, I think this is the Ghost Town collection. So I did that with the boy, so he's scary, and then this boy is spooky, and then this girl is ghoul, like girl, right? So I thought that was an easy, fast embellishment to make. Whew, look how much more I have, you guys. Okay, so these are all the same. So this is the shaker ticket die that I made. I just cut a bunch, and I used the doodlebug background paper, but it was a little plain. So I'm even with the shakers in there. So I just went through. Okay, so this is the smaller. The mini icon sticker sheets, and I just made, oh my god, it was so fun. After I started playing with it, I couldn't stop. So this is one of the stickers from that. Then I used the frog. This one I added a spider web in the back, a small one, so you can see the pumpkins in the back. I added that sticker. Not the penguin, the pumpkin. Oh, this is a cat and the pumpkin, and then the ice cream, and then the candy jar, the cupcake, and the ghost. So that was like super fun to make, and it's like a little tiny embellishment ready to go. And then I did make a couple of these potion bottles. So I got this die, I think it was from Vanessa, who is Sparkling Ghoul. I think it was from her. So I decided to try and cut that out and make the jar, the potion bottle. So this is the same shaker mixes, and then I just added the boy and the girl. This is from the sticker sheet. It came out cute though, yeah. I'm really like it. When you just look at that, it looks okay, but when you add the ephemera, it's like, oh, now I love it. Okay, and then I did make the witch hat. I did cut it, but I didn't add it. They have the band. Sorry, I forgot to do that. But it's very skinny, so you do have to cut it several times or cut it with foam. I think that's cute though. I do like that. And then, okay, so these are inspired by Marissa, who is Creative Young Mama. I will link her video down below where she did a tutorial on how to make these little lollipops. So she used a lollipop stick, and yeah, so then she just, oh gosh, I still have glue on here. So you have to kind of cut the lollipop stick so that this stick can fit inside the hole of the bead that you want to use. And then she did it a couple different ways. I ended up doing it this way. So I used E6000 and I used hot glue inside the bead to hold the stick in, and then I used this clasp on the top, and I had to E6000 that. But I think that's probably the easiest way to do it. So I did it with some other beads so that I could, have a variety, not only the Halloween ones. But I mainly wanted to make these because they kind of remind me of, you know, the oh, what is that Frank Garcia collection? Anyway, you guys know which one it is. But it has that pink jack-o'-lantern head lollipop. So I was gonna try and make a jack-o'-lantern face on the pink bead, but it didn't work out. So I have to try and do it again. But anyway, I just thought I would do it. It's easier because for these, the bead has the jack-o'-lantern face. So I just have to add that little clasp on the top. And then these will be ready to go. And then the rest of them, I don't know why I'm going to show you, but whatever. So I just dug through my stash and I added on the bales. So these are the cute Mickey and Minnie ghosts. They look like cookies. And then I did the bats. They're so cute. I just love these bats. And then I did the kitty cat. Okay, and then now I gotta share. Oh my god! So I'm so excited to share this with you. Okay, so I had leftover of those. Let me find it. I don't know where I put it. I had leftover of those. You know, to make the ice cream cones. Where is it? I want to show you. Oh my gosh, I don't know where I put it. Okay, anyway, it's like the wooden beads that look like the cones, so you can make ice cream cones. And I did it earlier for the hair. I made see, I used these beads here. So I had leftover and I was trying to figure out what else am I gonna make with it. And then it dawned on me that I can make something else. So this is what I made, you guys. Oh my god, I love it. So I got the bead and I painted it black, and then I added the glitterific over the black, and then I just punched out. I had to use a 1-inch circle punch. I punched out several of the black circle, and then I glued it all together, and then I punched a hole in the middle so that this wire could go through it. And then I did a head pin here. I don't know if you can see, but I had to do a little black sequin because it kept kind of going through the paper, and that seemed to do the trick. So once I got it through the hat, it was a little loose because this hole is really big. So to keep it in place, what I did was I just stuck my glue gun in there and I filled it with glue. And now it doesn't move. So I feel like it's a pretty solid witch hat now. Now, if you have like, I think it would be better if you had like a 1-inch black button or something like that. That's more sturdy, but I didn't have anything like that. So I really wanted to make it, so I just made my own. And I think it came out adorable. That's why my hands are all glittery. Sorry, it's because I was using this glitterific thing. So, but oh my god, I love it, you guys. So I made several of them, and hopefully I can do something with it for my swap partners, but I think that they came out super cute. I was kind of inspired by Poochie, who had done the you guys gotta check out her tutorial for the witches hats, because I really want to make that too. but I didn't. I just wanted to try and make it using these leftover cone beads. So give that a try. If you do, let me know so I can go check it out. Yeah, I think that these are going to be super fun dangles to add to some of my bead Halloween projects. Okay, so that is all the Halloween stuff that I've been working on. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.